In every kitchen, versatile and reliable bakeware is essential. The Mcirco 4-piece glass casserole baking dish set offers both functionality and style, making it perfect for everyday cooking, family dinners, and entertaining guests. This set includes a 3-quart casserole and a 1.9-quart casserole, both equipped with clear glass lids for convenient monitoring of your dishes. Whether you're preparing mac and cheese, a hearty egg casserole, baked meatballs, or a sweet brioche bread pudding, this glass bakeware set ensures your meals are cooked evenly, presented elegantly, and stored safely. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Premium borosilicate glass for safe and durable use. What sets the Mcirco casserole dishes apart is the high-quality borosilicate glass construction. Unlike ordinary glass bakeware, borosilicate can withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 752 degrees Fahrenheit, making these dishes perfect for oven, freezer, and even refrigerator use. The material is resistant to cracking, chipping, and breaking, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Borosilicate glass also provides even heat distribution, guaranteeing your meals cook uniformly without hot spots, a common problem with lower quality bakeware. Clear glass lids for precision cooking. The included lids are made of the same premium borosilicate glass, featuring a convenient knob for easy lifting. The transparency allows you to monitor cooking progress and browning without lifting the lid, maintaining optimal oven temperature and moisture retention. These lids help keep your food warm, whether it's being served immediately or transported to a gathering. Thoughtful design for easy handling. Each casserole dish features wide handles that provide a secure grip for carrying from oven to table or potluck. The ergonomic design reduces the risk of burns or spills while handling hot dishes, and a nonstick surface allows for easy cleanup. Whether serving a family meal or presenting a dish to guests, these casseroles combine practicality with elegance, making them ideal for any occasion. Versatile use for cooking, serving, and storage. The Mcirco casserole dishes are more than just bakeware. They can be used for food preparation, baking, serving, and storing leftovers. Their deep design accommodates a variety of dishes, from baked casseroles and roasted vegetables to desserts like bread pudding or fruit cobblers. After cooking, the dishes can be stored directly in the refrigerator or freezer with the lid on, making them convenient for meal prep and leftovers without transferring to another container. Even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. Thanks to borosilicate glass, these casseroles provide consistent and even heat distribution. This means your lasagna, casserole, or baked dessert will cook evenly without overcooked edges or undercooked centers. The clear glass also allows you to monitor progress along the sides and bottom, ensuring perfect results every time. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The smooth, non-porous glass surface prevents food from sticking, making cleanup simple and fast. Both dishes and lids are dishwasher safe, but they also clean easily by hand. Unlike ceramic or metal bakeware, borosilicate glass does not absorb odors or retain stains, ensuring every dish is ready for the next meal. Why this casserole set stands out. The Mcirco 4-piece glass casserole baking dish set excels because it combines premium materials, thoughtful design, and practical versatility. From everyday meals to entertaining guests, this set can handle a variety of cooking tasks while providing safe, even, and reliable results. The glass lids allow for precise monitoring, and the ergonomic handles make transport effortless. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a busy home chef, this set simplifies meal prep and elevates presentation. Perfect for everyday use and entertaining. This casserole set is ideal for anyone who loves cooking and entertaining. Families will appreciate the generous sizes and deep dishes for hearty meals, while hosts can present dishes elegantly at dinner parties or potlucks. It's also excellent for meal prep enthusiasts, as the lids allow for safe storage in the refrigerator or freezer. Final recommendation. For those seeking reliable, stylish, and versatile bakeware, the Mcirco 4-piece glass casserole baking dish set is an outstanding choice. With premium borosilicate construction, deep and practical design, ergonomic handles, and clear glass lids, it is perfect for baking, serving, and storing a wide variety of dishes. The combination of functionality, durability, and elegance makes it a must-have in every modern kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.